Hi guys, Colin here again with Print Your Mind 3D, and today I want to talk to you about the new Lulzbot Mini 2 3D printer. So the Lulzbot Mini 2 is a fantastic machine for any schools, libraries, or maker spaces, places that are looking for a small printer on a budget that packs a big punch, and that's exactly what the Mini 2 does. So they improved a lot of different things over the previous generation, the Lulzbot Mini, onto the Mini 2. One of the first things you'll notice about the Lulzbot Mini 2 is it actually has a 20% larger build volume than the previous generation. It also now comes stock with an arrow extruder hot end, which allows you to print both flexible and rigid materials right out of the box. There's also a 360-degree part cooling fan, which helps to really do better on bridging and overhangs. And also, because it has that all-metal hot end and a heated PEI print surface, you can print a full range of materials from polycarbonate, nylon, wood fills, and everything in between. They included stepper dampener, so it's actually a lot quieter. You'll notice that right away. It also has a modular bed system, which allows you to flip the glass over between the PEI and the glass surface really quickly and easily. The included LCD screen allows you to actually run tetherless by printing over an SD card, but you can also still print tethered over a USB cable if you prefer. A new belt-driven Z-axis actually is a lot more accurate and helps reduce Z-wobble over the previous threaded rod designs. You'll be happy to notice that the printer is fully UL certified, and for our fellow Canadians, it's also important that we note that the printer is fully CSA certified. The printer, you'll notice, is really portable, rugged, and very reliable. It actually has a handle right on the front, so it's very easy to simply pick this printer up and carry it away. And because it's fully self-calibrating and self-leveling, you can just set the printer down and you're ready to start printing. The printer also comes with an included toolkit that has everything you need to get started 3D printing. The last thing I want to mention is the printer actually comes with an available upgrade to an enclosure to help prevent any curious fingers or hands from getting into the printer while it's printing, and also to help keep an ambient temperature higher if you're printing with things like ABS. So as you can see, the Lulzbot Mini 2 is a fantastic machine for anybody looking to get started in the world of 3D printing. If you're in Canada and you're looking to pick up a Lulzbot Mini 2 or any of Lulzbot's products, head over to printyourmind3d.ca. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.